every poet I'm also, though it is named tribal, this is not restricted to tribal. It is include others also. They were Bhajana. So, some पूर्ण अनेक पद्धती गोष्टी म्हणजे उद्या आठ संस्थे आणि इतर प्रकारच्या मेंबर्स जाऊन अवजडचे मेंबर कशी व्याख्या करीत जातात कुठल्याही फॉर्म करायचे आणि यांनी उद्या कुठल्या आणि वेळ 15 जण they have reduced quota from entire all the communities of ST, all the people to the 15 membership. Here is the परिस्थिती 15 member and they will follow 18 member membership. So that is the reason I said it. Either it is a private entity or a private firm. That one, जब संकलन होगा क्या होगा now संपादी करत ना विश्वास गावडे बोलुवे रेखन गावडे उमेश गावकर सातू केळी कुमार प्रकाश केळी राजीव गावकर रमेश गावकर परवरकर गोविंद गावडे उदय गावकर अनिल गावकर प्रकाश गावकर मालती पेरेरा and Musa गावडे. So this is the same field who was targeting when even taken price against us. So first of all, Congress Basana, because you know that under Registration Act, in the same name there cannot be indicate identical name. It cannot be registered unless there is an NOC from the suppose NOC from the they have to take NOC from the concern. आमचे जे परियुक्त असा ते रजिस्टर्ड at Margam, South East Asian. And this is cunningly, using the word cunningly, they say not forward. Normally, registered means that there is a medical member or where the resident is coming from. Remember that is the care of resident. So resident from South Goa आणि अनाथ आणि एक मेंबर पण आमच्या मतात असतो त्याचे केलं त्याच्या नावावर cunningly they have released not forward. But South East they don't have to. So if you register in South, definitely they will operate particularly register down in Assam. So that alone, maybe not that correct. I mean, now I told you that section 3A of Act, the clear bar, they have to take the moment identical name garden, there is a job, they cannot register it. What they have to do is NOC from the concern last time I guided issue as a right, whatever government servers they cannot without permission they cannot do it from the department. But many issues are there. In fact, this is totally illegal. First of all, this is not ethical on the part of these 15 members, particularly being if you want something that is available. If you want something parent body of particularly another thing, there is a minister in that. But it is minister, it is now MLA, engineer. बहुत मजा आएगा टाइम में, स्ट्रेस करें, उताई आठ संस्कृति में, आज के लिए उता, हमें क्या कोरोना दिवसाला जोड़ा था पकड़ा नहीं, तो वहाँ जाए चिंता कर पड़ा, हमें कोरोना दिवसाला, we have decided today, completely decided to दिवसा में जाना के लिए क्या है, we will go ahead with this is going to be very cost, हमें ना ध्यान होना चाहिए, लेकिन आपस का प्रयत्न करते हैं, हम ये बोलते हैं, in fact, we will take all the courses, whatever the people required to take it, usually whatever otherwise, after down one, after going to the college, and then we take